bw'osanga ng'omwana wa Katonda ngadde mabega tolowooza agudde olumu nzira mabega kusimbula.
Sometimes I go backwards to be able to set off.
Hallelujah.
Whoever is watching me and you seem to be moving backwards,
don't switch off your engine.
Don't
switch off your faith. Don't switch off your dream. A car will use a reverse gear, not because it's going backwards. Sometimes if you keep going forth, you will hit things. You need to reverse.
You need
okugamba omusajja oyo
to tell that man,
apartment eno gyonsasulira,
this apartment that you're paying for me,
musajja gw'omufumbo,
you married man,
nsiimye,
I appreciate,
naye mbazeemu,
but I have calculated
nga yandindeetera siriimu,
and thought about it that I will contract HIV virus.
Kansooke nzireko ewa maama.
So let me first of all get back to my mother's house.
Naye bwe naasimbulaawo,
but when I set off from there,
waliwo olw'ova mu nnyumba ey'emiliyoni 2,
there are times you will leave a 2 million shilling house
nodda mu y'emitwalo 15
and go back to the house worth 150,000. You have not fallen.
Patience is ability to say, I can't afford that phone now, I can't afford that car now, I can't afford that hairstyle now or that hair now, but I will someday. Patience.